The third unit title is Hydraulic Circuits and Systems. The first topic available in third unit is accumulators. Accumulators are the devices that store hydraulic fluid under pressure. So whenever the system pressure increases beyond the design pressure of the system, the accumulator stores the energy. So whenever the system pressure falls, it releases the stored energy to the system. The types of accumulators are weight loaded accumulator, spring loaded accumulator, gas loaded accumulator. The gas loaded accumulators are divided into two types. This diagram shows the weight loaded accumulator. Weight loaded accumulator. This is a hydraulic system line. So this is a piston rod. On the piston rod there is a weight. This weight creates the design pressure. So whenever the design pressure increases, the system pressure increases beyond the design pressure. The pressure acts on the piston, so the piston moves up. So excess fluid will be stored inside the accumulator. So if the design pressure is created by means of the spring, that is called spring loaded accumulator. If the design pressure is created by means of a gas or a compressed gas, means that is gas loaded accumulator. So these are the things about accumulators. Then accumulator circuits. Accumulators are important devices in hydraulic circuits. These are used as many ways. And the important things are emergency power source. Accumulator used as an emergency power source, leakage compensator, shock absorber. So this is a accumulator circuit. So as usual, reservoir, pump, pressure relief valve, check valve. This is the accumulator symbol. This is a 4x2 DCV. This is the actuator. Okay, this will be used as an auxiliary power source. Power source means it stores the energy when the system pressure increases, and also it releases the energy when the system pressure falls. Then it is used as a shock absorber. If sudden stoppage of fluid or sudden closing of any valve, the system pressure increases, so that creates one shock on the system. So that shock will be absorbed by means of the accumulator. And also it is used as the leakage compensator. Okay. So when there is a leakage occurs inside the hydraulic system, the accumulator supplies the enough fluid to compensate the liquid, to compensate the leakage. Okay. These are the uses of accumulator. Then we can see the industrial hydraulic circuits. Two industrial hydraulic circuits you can see in this video. Automatic cylinder reciprocation circuit. So we can achieve automatic cylinder reciprocation by means of two sequence valves. I will explain by using this diagram. So as usual, there is a components: reservoir, pump, pressure relief valve. There is a 4x2 DCV we want to use. In this diagram shows 4x3. Actually we want to use 4x2 DCV. These two connections are connected parallel through the sequence valve, through two sequence valves. Okay. So in the first portion, fluid enters from the pump to the blank end of the cylinder. So extension will be takes place. At the end of extension, the pressure gets increased. So secondary port of the sequence valve will be open. So that fluid will be enter into the DCV as pilot pressure. So this second position will be activated by means of the pilot pressure. So the fluid enters into the rod end of the cylinder. So the piston will be retracts. So at the end of the retraction, the pressure inside the system, pressure inside the sequence valve will be increased. So secondary port of this sequence valve will be open. So the fluid enters into this DCV to activate the first position. Okay, so like this operation will be repeated. So automatically we get reciprocating movements. Then second industrial hydraulic circuit is regenerative circuit. Regenerative circuit is used to increase the extending speed of the double acting cylinder. So I will explain by means of this diagram. So as usual, these are the components. This is a reservoir, filter, pump, pressure relief valve. Then in this 4/3 DCV is used. This is the actuator. The connection, if you see, this is a direct connection from the pump to blank end of the cylinder. But from the rod end of the cylinder, the connection is directly given to the pump passage. This reservoir port is closed. Okay, now you can see the working. When the in the first position, the fluid from the pump enters into the blank end of the cylinder. So the fluid available in the rod end of the cylinder also flow through to the pump passage. Okay, so it is the reservoir port is closed. So the fluid from the rod end of the cylinder also enters through the pump passage. So more quantity of fluid will be entered. So the extending speed of the piston will be increased. Then in the second position, in this position, what happens? The fluid from the pump directly goes to the rod end of the cylinder. So retraction will be takes place. So the fluid available in the blank end of the cylinder goes to the reservoir. Okay, this is blocked. Okay, directly the fluid enter into the rod end of the cylinder. So as usual, the retraction will be takes place, but the extension speed only increases. So these are the industrial hydraulic circuits. I think we have studied something about third unit from this subject. So you can see fourth unit in the next video. Thank you.